Hello, and welcome to this overview of Codeplus Inspections. Today, we're going to be talking about the benefits and features of this remote field inspection tool. We'll be addressing two issues in the building construction industry. Seasoned senior building inspectors are hard to come by, and they don't just grow on trees. We have a looming issue in the construction industry. As we continue down this path, we want to avoid any difficulties. There has been a downward trend in the number of good building inspectors, while the need for new housing is on the rise. This chart shows that as our current experienced inspectors are nearing retirement, there are not enough quality inspectors to replace them. Falling off roofs is a very prevalent safety concern in the construction industry. These stats are a little outdated, but they still apply to current operations. Codeplus Inspections minimizes risks because the field inspector doesn't have to go up on the roof to inspect it. The contractor takes pictures of the roof, uploads them via Codeplus Inspections, and the field inspector then completes the inspection by reviewing those photos from the safety of his desk. And the contractor isn't required to do any more work either, because the BMP already has the field contractor documenting stages of the construction project by taking pictures. In addition to roofs, job sites pose many safety hazards. Codeplus Inspections greatly reduces or completely minimizes these risks. Codeplus Inspections provides a solution. This is a list of the features and benefits of a typical RVI, remote video inspection company, versus Codeplus Inspections. Both of them have automated PDF inspection reports. They both allow photo geolocation on the images or videos that are used as part of the inspection. They both eliminate the travel time of the field inspector. They allow him to just sit behind his desk while he performs the inspection instead of him driving to the job site to perform it. They both allow customizable logo branding for the inspection service. They both allow image markups and editing features on the various images that are used as part of the inspection. And they both allow you to download all the inspection images. But here is where we separate the Pee-wee leagues from the major leagues. Codeplus Inspections allows each inspector in a building department to complete at least 50 plus inspections a day because the software allows them to complete an inspection in just minutes. Codeplus Inspections is 100% independent of cellular service, whereas a typical RVI company, if you lose cell connection in the middle of a video call, you may have to pay for a whole new inspection. Codeplus Inspections comes with system-generated email reports with attachments. It allows you, when you send out the inspection report back to the contractor, to attach a bunch of images or other markups that explain how the inspection may not have passed. Our system allows for re-inspections after an initial failed inspection, whereas with an RVI system, you may have to pay for a whole new inspection if the contractor fails that initial one. Our system of Codeplus Inspections is optimized specifically for the field inspectors. It is a tool for them, and it's designed to help them do their job to the best of their ability. It's very convenient and fast for the inspector. It allows for re-roof inspections, whereas with an RVI system, if you ask the person holding the phone on the other end to go up on the roof, you may be violating at least 3 different code sections. It's very dangerous for them to lose their 3 points of contact when climbing up a ladder onto the roof. Codeplus Inspections allows access to difficult spaces because it allows the contractor or person uploading the images to quickly take pictures inside of difficult areas, perhaps the crawl space underneath the house, and it allows the field inspector to review those instead of asking the person holding the video camera to go and crawl under the house immediately. Our tool allows at least 20 inspectors from each building department to log on and be performing inspections at the same time. It also allows for easy comparison of reinspection documentation because it saves all the old reports and images from past or previous inspections. It's very easy to use, and field inspectors can be up and running in just hours. It is also free to sign up. It provides an image gallery for you to quickly click through all the images that the contractor has uploaded when performing the inspection. Codeplus Inspections allows for a customizable automatic rubric that the field inspector can customize to their specific needs. It's a tool designed for the field inspector to do whatever he needs to do to pass that inspection. It's to a level of comfort of the field inspector. It doesn't require the client to be performing the inspection at the same time. The client can be taking pictures and upload them early in the morning if he wants to, and the field inspector can perform the inspection at whatever time is most convenient for him. They don't need to coordinate their schedules. With our tool, both the client and the field inspector can make markups on the images. Codeplus Inspections gives a system-generated PDF pass or fail report. It automatically generates that as soon as the inspector says pass or fail. The email report that is sent back to the client includes image attachments in addition to the PDF report when sent back to the client. He can then view all the images that may have markups telling him how he may have passed or failed that particular inspection. Most RVI systems will not allow the building jurisdiction to perform more than maybe 20% of inspections, but Codeplus Inspections allows you to perform 30, 40, 50, perhaps even 70% of all your inspections using our system. It is all to the level of comfort of the field inspector. Now we'll give a brief overview of how a remote inspection works. A contractor can log in and create a virtual inspection request. They narrow down where the job site is by state and county. Then they can select an inspection type and add the job info. They can upload all the images by phone or computer. They can view the checklist of what the inspector wants to see on this job. Then they submit the job. Now we'll see what it looks like from the jurisdiction side. The field inspector can view all the images in a gallery that the contractor uploads. They can view the geolocation of the images to ensure that the pictures belong to the proper job site. They can add markups to the images, pointing to an area of the photo if they need. After checking that the job meets all the requirements, they can pass the job. A PDF report is automatically created and pre-populated. Then the inspector can edit it if they want. An email form allows them to view the report and add images to the email. And this is how the email looks in the contractor's inbox. There are many areas of the building industry that Codeplus Inspections can be used for. Fire inspections, private inspection companies that have agreements with jurisdictions, or third-party consultants with jurisdictional agreements. Code enforcement. Codeplus Inspections will be 100% free for the jurisdiction. And after the system is properly working for the jurisdiction, the contractor will pay $10 plus fees per inspection, with a re-inspection up to 21 days afterwards, free. This will help motivate the contractors to complete their work. Third-party companies that have a jurisdictional agreement will pay $10 per inspection, free re-inspection for up to 90 days, with a monthly invoice due net 90 days. For more information about Codeplus Inspections, please visit our website, www.codeplusinspections.com, or email info@codeplusinspections.com for more information.